Hello and welcome. I'm greeting you from the beach, surrounded by the sounds of the waves and the beauty of the moment. As I watch the ocean, I find myself thinking about what summer offers us in these special opportunities to pause, renew, and restore our energy. Summer offers opportunities like this, these moments just to look around, appreciate what we have, and reconnect with what inspires us. Thank you for joining me again on Wellness Wednesday. I hope this episode gives you the meaningful moment for yourself and leaves you with something valuable to carry into these weeks ahead. Now, enjoy this month's episode, Recharging Your Light This Summer. Hello, and welcome to this episode on Recharging Your Light. I like to begin with a simple question. How often do you spend your day caring for everyone else and forgetting to care for yourself? As an early childhood educator, your work goes far beyond teaching. Every day you provide comfort, guidance, patience, and reassurance to children who are still learning how to understand their emotions and navigate the world around them. And while this work is meaningful, it can also be so demanding. And that's why today I like to talk about something simple yet powerful: light. We know vitamin D as the sunshine vitamin, but beyond its physical benefits, it reminds us of something important. Our bodies and minds need light to thrive. Vitamin D supports our energy, immune system, mental clarity, and emotional well being. Yet many of us become accustomed to living exhausted. We tell ourselves it's normal to feel drained. It's normal to have no energy left at the end of the day. But surviving is not the same as being well. Sometimes we spend so much time giving to others that we forget to ask, what is nourishing me? While there is no quick solution for emotional exhaustion, renewal often begins with small acts of care. Just taking a walk outside, a few deep breaths, time with your loved ones, or even a quiet moment in the sun. Simple moments when you don't have to solve any problems or care for anyone else, just yourself. Because we ignore our own needs for too long, the body notices fatigue sets in, patience wears thin, and even when we're physically present, we can feel emotionally depleted. As summer begins, nature offers a gentle reminder: nothing blooms by fighting against itself. Growth happens when there are nourishment, rest, and light. Perhaps this season is an invitation for you to reconnect with yourself, to listen to your body, honor your boundaries, and give yourself the same care you so freely offer to others. Because even those who bring light to others need time to recharge, and your impact is greater than you may realize. Every encouraging word, every act of kindness, every moment a child feels safe because of your care, it all matters, and so do you. Before we finish, I'd like to invite you to a brief visualization. If you can, relax your shoulder and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. One more time, inhale deeply. And as you exhale, release any tension you've been carrying. Now imagine a warm, gentle light surrounding you. A soft light that brings you calm, comfort, and renewal. Picture yourself in a place where you feel completely at peace. As you breathe in, imagine the light filling your body, easing the tension in your shoulders, quieting your mind, bringing comfort to your heart. Now silently repeat, I deserve to rest. My well-being matters too. I can care for others without forgetting myself. Imagine the healthiest, most balanced version of yourself standing before you. A version of you who still care deeply for others, but understand that self-care is also an act of love. Place your hand over your heart and take a moment to acknowledge that that you do and all that you give, you deserve care, you deserve rest, you deserve well-being. Take one final deep breath and gently open your eyes when you're ready. Thank you for all that you do. And this summer, remember to receive some of the light. You are so generously giving to others. May this season bring you rest, renewal, a chance to recharge of your own light. If you enjoy this podcast, please subscribe and click like and share with someone who can benefit. Until next time, take good care of yourself.